India's 8th largest state, 10 agroclimatic zones, 8 nutrient-rich soil zones, 480 kilometers long coastline, abundant water resources, wide range of raw material base, 50% workforce engaged in the agri sector. In recent years, the state has grown by leaps and bounds and currently produces a surplus quantity of food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, fish and poultry meat. Millets available in large scale with an annual production of 1.6 lakh metric tons, mostly organic, through a network of 72 FPOs. Green gram moong, black gram urd and arhar tur constitute the major pulse crops of Odisha with an annual production exceeding 10 lakh metric tons. Mother Nature has blessed Odisha with favorable agroclimatic conditions. It makes the state conducive to the production of perennial fruit crops, making it the hub of horticulture of India. Odisha produces 90 lakh metric tons of vegetables, 20 lakh metric tons of fruits and 5 lakh metric tons of spices annually, placing it above most states. Odisha has won Krishi Karman Award 5 times in the last decade for excelling in growth of food grain production. Odisha is India's 4th largest fish producing state, garnering a revenue of approximately rupees 11,000 crores, courtesy a production capacity of 8.73 lakh metric tons per annum. Being blessed with an abundance of natural water resources, the state has enjoyed a phenomenal growth rate of 13% over the last 5 years. Not only that, but Odisha has also bagged the prestigious Best Marine State by the Ministry of Fisheries and AHT Government of India in 2020-21. Odisha is equally invested in the livestock and poultry industry with a sharp growth in the last decade. With every year, Odisha has grown from strength to strength. Daily production of 400 metric tons of chicken meat has made the state surplus in the commodity. Production of egg has reached 75 lakh per day from commercial sector. A visionary leadership, a state-of-the-art food processing infrastructure and a mission to succeed against all odds has resulted in Odisha pioneering the agri-food processing in the country. The state has moved from a production-driven system to a demand-driven system, generating customized surplus to cater industry requirement. Most importantly, the commitments of the government have and will take the food processing and marketing to the next level. Odisha has always been an agrarian economy, and plantation crops contribute to 1/5 of its GDP, making it a significant contributor. The state produces 93,800 tons of cashew annually, contributing to a large chunk of the economy. Another milestone is the phenomenal expansion in the production of coffee. Tamarind is integral to the Indian palate, and Odisha contributes significantly to it. Honey produced from Simlipal forest area has a rich customer acceptance. As a responsible state, Odisha stands beside the lesser privileged population, facilitating the collection, processing and marketing of the non-timber minor forest products. So, come and explore the agribusiness opportunities in Odisha that link the farmers directly with the market, increasing their profit margins significantly. Odisha, putting farmers first.